Hey there, welcome to our ultimate guide to solo travel. In this video, we will be sharing some valuable tips and experiences that will help you plan your next solo adventure. Traveling solo can be an enriching and empowering experience, but it can also be daunting, especially if it's your first time. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our team of seasoned solo travelers will share their insights, lessons learned, and practical tips that will help you make the most out of your solo trip. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Solo travel can be an excellent way to explore the world on your terms, immerse yourself in new cultures, and gain a sense of independence and confidence. However, it can also be overwhelming and challenging, especially if you're not used to traveling alone. But don't worry, with a bit of preparation, an open mind, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone, solo travel can be an unforgettable and life-changing experience. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler looking for a new adventure or a first-timer nervous about traveling solo, we have compiled some tips and experiences that will help you make the most out of your solo trip. Tip 1. Plan ahead. The first tip for solo travel is to plan ahead. Before you embark on your solo adventure, make sure you research your destination thoroughly. Check out the local customs, traditions, and laws to avoid any cultural faux pas. Research the weather, transportation, accommodation, and attractions in advance to help you plan your itinerary. It's also essential to book your accommodation and transportation ahead of time, especially if you're traveling during peak season. And don't forget to purchase travel insurance to protect yourself from unexpected events such as flight cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergency. Tip 2. Pack light, pack right when it comes to packing for solo travel. Less is more. Packing light will make your trip more manageable and you'll have more flexibility to move around. Only bring the essentials and leave the unnecessary items at home. Pack versatile clothing that you can mix and match, and make sure you bring comfortable shoes for walking. Don't forget to bring a first aid kit, a portable charger, and a power adapter if you're traveling internationally. And if you're planning to work remotely, bring a lightweight laptop or tablet. Tip 3. Stay safe. Safety is a top priority when traveling solo. It's essential to stay alert and aware of your surroundings, especially in unfamiliar places. Avoid walking alone at night, especially in dimly lit areas. Be cautious when using public transportation and keep an eye on your belongings. Always have a backup plan and keep your valuables, such as your passport, cash, and credit cards, in a secure place. It's also a good idea to keep your loved ones informed of your whereabouts and share your itinerary with them. Tip 4. Embrace the solo experience. One of the best things about solo travel is the freedom and flexibility to do what you want when you want. Embrace the solo experience and take advantage of the opportunities to explore your destination at your own pace. Don't be afraid to try new things, meet new people, and step out of your comfort zone. Solo travel can be a great opportunity for self-discovery and personal growth. And if you feel lonely or homesick, remember that it's normal and that there are ways to overcome it. Join a local tour, attend a cooking class, or visit a local museum to meet like-minded travelers or locals. And don't forget to take plenty of photos and create unforgettable memories. Tip 5. Be open-minded. Lastly, be open-minded and embrace the cultural differences and challenges that come with solo travel. Don't expect everything to be the same as back home, and don't judge the locals or their customs. Instead, try to learn and appreciate their way of life and immerse yourself in their culture. Be respectful and kind, and you'll be surprised how much you can learn from the people you meet and the places you visit. Well, that's a wrap for our ultimate guide to solo travel. We hope you found these tips and experiences helpful and inspiring. Remember, solo travel can be an enriching and life-changing experience, but it requires planning, preparation, and an open mind. So take the plunge, book that solo trip, and explore the world on your terms. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy traveling!